This will be our 7th annual gathering at Viking Aircraft Engines for our annual workshop. Here you see Steve Salai with wife, Ivy, approaching and landing. They have been steadfast visitors every year. This airplane has been flown 200 hours since last time it was here. So basically within this last year. Their son is flight training in the airplane, and it has the Viking 175. Alyssa is anticipating 80 people at the gathering starting tomorrow, or actually Saturday, and weather is supposed to be beautiful. Steve and Ivy has now unpacked their airplane, and we've had our traditional first dinner together, and we're just preparing and waiting for the rest of the guests to arrive.